Sari means it is Paripurna Lochanam. His eyes gets drenched with the tears. So even Hanuman is Shiva Rudravatara. So Shiva in his original form, he was shedding tears. And the tears were getting dropped into what is the lake down there in Kailas? It was there. The fish which was swimming there, at the time it has opened its mouth and got swollen this tear drops of Shiva.
So it became a youth.
And it became pregnant. Okay. Now somebody wants to get pregnant, don't go and drink the tears of your husband. Sorry. And it got pregnant. And then the pregnant fish was roaming around while Shiva was giving all the yoga text. And after it delivered, it was a boy. Fish boy. He came to Shiva and said, Tande, Tandena, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋ ಗಣೇಶ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನೋ ಮೋಹಿನಿ ಅವತಾರದಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಉಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ನೀನ್ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ I was born through the fish who had taken your tear drops. Then he said, oh very good, you are born out of the Matsya, so you are Matsyendra. And now that you have heard all the yogic teachings which I taught to Parvati, go around the world and spread this Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga parampara starts with Shiva. Shri Adinataya Namostu Tasmai Yenopatishta Hatha Yoga Vidya. Shri Adinatha, he is not Padinatha. In Coimbatore you see is Padinatha. Means Padi Yogi. What is it?
Artha.
Adi Yogi, but only half is there. So I call him as Padi Yogi.
Padi Yogi, you are right.
So Adinatha is Shiva, then Matsyendranatha. Now Matsyendranatha, as a mendicant, he was going on his Bhiksha. So while he was going on Bhiksha, one day a lady who was usually used to give him Bhiksha, that day very sorrowfully she was putting the Bhiksha. Yes, what happened, ma'am? Why are you so sorrow? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಟ್ರಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಈಗ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ತಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಕತೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಹುಡುಗಿನ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಜನ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಣಾ. ಸೊ ಅವಳು ಹಾಗೆ ಶೋಕವಾಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸರ್? So many years since I married, I don't have a santanam. I want a child. So we have been going temples after temples, nothing has happened. Those days no IVF, gynecologist, everything. So then Matsyendranatha, who had a fruit in his hand, had given a fruit to her, Putravati Bhava.
Putravati.
And then she went back. After 2-3 years, then again when he was coming, the same lady came with the same shoka. He asked, come on, why are you still worried? Do not worry. Oh, do not worry, sorry.
Do not worry.
And then so she said, you should have been like a queen, enjoying with your son. Why are you worrying now? Right? No, you bluffed. You said I will have a child, but I didn't have a child.
Ayyo.
It could be your child should have been going to the kindergarten by now. No, sir. What did you do with the fruit I gave? That fruit, I just kept there in the cow shed. That cow would have eaten. Cow would have eaten. He went to the Goshala and called, Putra! Then there was a Bharani in the wall.
Okay.
Yesterday, Rajesh was showing the Bharani.
Bharani.
Bharani ಏನಂತೀರ English ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
Cake. Cow dung cake.
Don't underestimate the cow dung cake.
Don't underestimate,
Of
please.
Desi cows. Okay, it was there. From the cow dung cake on the wall, jumped a hero, Superman. And said, Tande. He called Putra. He called Tande, our Guru. Who was it? He was Gorakshanatha.
Gorakshanatha.
So he said, come on, he's all, when Siddhas give the power, it is out of their tapas.
True.
He is actually his own tapas which he has transferred to that lady through the form of the fruit, right? She ignored. She didn't know, a stupid lady. I'm sorry, not know in the previous.
Yeah. Agree. Agree.
She ignored that thing. She gave to the cow, but cow, she got that son again like fish. Matsyendranatha, from cow he was born, so he is Gorakshanatha to protect the cows. He was a cowherd who protected and became a great yogi, a great disciple of Matsyendranatha. Even in Tamil Nadu we have the 18 Siddhas in which Matsyendra, Goraksha are included. In North India also we have, in Nepal even Gorakshanath, Gorakhpur. So in Gorakshanath parampara. Adinatha Shiva, then Matsyendranatha, Gorakshanatha. In that parampara, who is the current Natha?
Aditya.
Yogi Adityanath. Same Guru parampara.
Same Guru parampara. Rom Haram.
Bolo Gorakshanath ki
Jai.
Matsyendranatha ki
Jai.
Yogi Adityanath ki
Jai.
Okay. So anyhow, now Gorakshasana is there. Let's see how many of you can do Gorakshasana. Gorakshasana, so sit like this. Actually, I can't. to keep your somebody hold me this side also. Keep your toes. You try, and then your both the heels should come together, and your the bottom should be touching the heel, and both the thighs should be sideways. This is perfect.
Yeah.
But even the toes should come together.
Toes should come together.
Try to bring the toes.
Yeah.
Wow. Hands together. Namaskar. Namaskar mudra. Like the chin mudra. Key in here, in thighs. So he was
It's
the previous
shine,
Janma
right?
Gorakshanatha, reborn as Gopal Ramkrishna now.
Okay, ಇದು correct
Bolo
ah?
Yogi
Yeah.
Ramkrishna ki
Jai!
Yogini Shanti Mata ki
Jai!